Introducing the Sculpfun G9, the revolutionary smart laser engraver that turns your creative ideas into reality. Equipped with dual laser sources, 10-watt blue laser and 2-watt infrared laser, G9 can engrave on various materials. Unleash your creativity with G9. Design your own decorations. Adorn your cozy home. Create imaginative toys for your kids, or craft beautiful collars for your beloved pets, and even earn your first bucket of gold. G9 features an industrial-grade high-frequency galvanometer module and multi-coated K9 glass mirrors reflecting 99% of the energy, greatly reducing power loss. Achieving marking speeds up to 5,000 millimeters per second. It's faster and precise, with a spot size as small as 0.01 millimeters. Engraving lines are smoother and details more vivid. Easily batch process with one-click repeat engraving function. The fully enclosed cover filters most smoke and odors, with safety features like lid stop, interlock, and emergency stop button. It meets international Class 1 laser safety standards, electric lift, red dot focus, paired with our own app, SGD Laser, frame preview, one-click marking, compact and portable. Take it anywhere with ease. G9 comes with a range of accessories, safe and easy to use, compatible with light burn. Master your creativity swiftly and effortlessly. Bring joy to life. Surprise your loved ones. This is the Sculpfun G9, the smart laser engraver. Sculpt joy, craft fun.